Hello everyone, welcome to Mariner's Point. Here we are going to solve MEO Class 4 Electrical Written Question. Question we can see on the screen. Derive the formula for total resistance of a circuit containing three resistors in series or in parallel. So we have to simply derive the formula. If three resistors are connected in series and in parallel, what will be the equivalent formula? First, we will assume three resistance R1, R2, R3 are connected in series. Now, voltage and current assume V and I. So, circuit diagram we can see like this. Voltage supply, current I, R1, R2, R3. Okay. Now, circuit description I already show you. Current flowing through the circuit is I and potential difference is V, which is total sum of the voltage drop across all the three resistors. Now, using Ohm's law, as we know that Ohm's law, V is equal to IR through each resistor, through this, voltage drop IR1, IR2, IR3. In series, current is same. Now, this is voltage drop across R1, R2 and R3. Now, total potential difference is V. So, total potential difference will be, we can write V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. You can see IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Now, we can take common I, then potential difference is equal to I bracket R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now, we will compare V is equal to IR, then R equivalent will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. By comparing, we can get R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So in series, R equivalent formula is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now we are going to derive the formula for equivalent resistance when a resistor are connected in parallel. First I will show you diagram in parallel. This is potential difference B R1, R2, R3. Now, in parallel, potential difference will be same. So, we will calculate through each resistance current. So, current through resistor R1 is I1 is equal to V by R1, I2 is equal to V by R2, I3 is equal to V by R3. Now, I, which is total current flowing through the circuit, is I1 plus I2 plus I3. We can write V divided by R1 plus V divided by R2 plus V divided by R3. Now we will take common, then we will get R equivalent. Here you can see on the screen, we have to simply compare I is equal to V by R. So R equivalent we will compare 1 by R equivalent 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this is your equivalent resistance formula for parallel condition. You can see simply we are comparing two equation, and then we are getting formula for equivalent resistance. So formula for equivalent resistance or in parallel condition is this one, and in series very simple. And this is this for capacitor it will be opposite. For resistance in series R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In parallel, 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay.